In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get cheap tickets to Disneyland Paris. First is always buy your tickets online and in advance. Prices at the gate are higher and online discounts pop up often. The earlier you book, the cheaper the date options tend to be. Next, for you to be able to save big, make sure that you choose off-peak dates. Think mid-January to March or September to November. Weekdays are often cheaper than weekends and the park is less crowded too. Now, if you know your travel date, select a dated ticket, not an open date ticket. Dated tickets can save you 40 euros to 60 euros per person depending on the season. Next, you might also consider skipping the extras. You can simply choose one park tickets instead of park hoppers. You might also consider multi-day passes if you're staying longer. They can reduce the pay per day cost. Next, you can also check authorized resellers and bundle deals. Sometimes they offer flash discounts or hotel plus ticket packages that beat Disney's official prices. Lastly, you might consider staying at off-site hotels for cheaper nightly rates. Just bring in snacks to avoid pricey food and book transportation early. Little savings add up fast. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!